Surviving the summer sun is all about staying cool, hydrated, and protected. Here are some essential tips to help you beat the heat. 1. Stay hydrated. Hydration is essential for your body to regulate its temperature and function properly, especially in hot weather. When temperatures rise, your body sweats more to cool down, leading to increased water loss. Therefore, it's crucial to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. Water is the best choice for staying hydrated, but you can also consume other hydrating beverages like sports drinks, coconut water, or infused water with slices of fruits or cucumber for added flavor. Aim to drink at least 8-10 glasses of water per day and increase your intake if you're sweating heavily due to physical activity or high temperatures. If you're unsure about your hydration level, monitor the color of your urine. Pale yellow urine indicates proper hydration, while dark yellow urine may indicate dehydration. Additionally, avoid excessive consumption of caffeinated or alcoholic beverages, as they can contribute to dehydration. Maintaining optimal hydration levels will help you stay cool, alert, and energized during the summer months. 2. Dress appropriately. Your choice of clothing can significantly impact your comfort and protection from the summer sun. Opt for lightweight, breathable fabrics, such as cotton or linen, that allow air to circulate around your body and help wick away sweat. Loose-fitting clothing allows for better airflow and prevents fabric from clinging to your skin, which can trap heat and moisture. Light-colored clothing reflects sunlight, helping to keep you cooler than dark colors that absorb heat. When planning your outfit, consider wearing long sleeves and pants made from lightweight materials to shield your skin from direct sunlight and reduce the risk of sunburn. Additionally, don't forget to accessorize with a wide-brimmed hat to shade your face, neck, and ears from the sun's rays. Sunglasses with UV protection are essential to shield your eyes from harmful ultraviolet radiation and reduce the risk of eye damage. By dressing appropriately for hot weather, you can stay cool, comfortable, and protected while enjoying outdoor activities during the summer months. 3. Seek shade. When the summer sun is blazing, finding shade becomes essential for staying cool and avoiding overexposure to harmful ultraviolet UV rays. Seek out shaded areas such as under trees, umbrellas, or canopies to escape direct sunlight, especially during the peak hours of solar intensity between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. If you're spending an extended period outdoors, consider bringing along portable shade options like pop-up tents or beach umbrellas to create your own shaded oasis wherever you go. Not only does seeking shade help keep you cooler, but it also reduces your risk of sunburn, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke. Remember that UV rays can still penetrate through clouds and reflective surfaces. So even when you're in the shade, it's essential to apply sunscreen and wear protective clothing, including a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses. By incorporating shade into your outdoor routine, you can enjoy the summer sun safely and comfortably while minimizing the risk of sun-related health issues. 4. Use sunscreen. Shielding your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays is paramount for preventing sunburn, premature aging, and reducing the risk of skin cancer. Sunscreen is your frontline defense against UV radiation, so it's crucial to choose a high-quality product and apply it correctly. Select a broad-spectrum sunscreen with a sun protection factor, SPF, of 30 or higher to ensure protection against both UVA and UVB rays. Before heading outdoors, generously apply sunscreen to all exposed skin areas, including your face, neck, ears, arms, and legs. Be sure to apply sunscreen at least 15 minutes before sun exposure to allow it to absorb into the skin effectively. Don't forget often overlooked areas like your scalp, lips, and the tops of your feet. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours or more frequently if you're swimming, sweating heavily, or toweling off, as water, sweat, and friction can diminish its effectiveness. It's essential to use enough sunscreen to cover your entire body adequately. A general rule of thumb is to use about 1 ounce, approximately a shot glass full, to cover your body. Remember that sunscreen is not a one-and-done solution. Consistent and proper application is key to ensuring optimal protection against sun damage. Additionally, sunscreen should be part of a comprehensive sun protection strategy that includes seeking shade, wearing protective clothing, and avoiding prolonged sun exposure, especially during peak hours. By making sunscreen a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, you can enjoy the sun safely while safeguarding your skin's health for years to come. 5. Limit outdoor activities. During the scorching summer months, it's essential to be mindful of when and how long you spend outdoors to avoid overheating and sun-related health risks. While outdoor activities are enjoyable, it's wise to schedule them during the cooler parts of the day, typically in the early morning or late afternoon and evening. During these times, temperatures are milder, and the sun's intensity is lower, reducing the risk of heat-related illnesses and sunburn. When planning outdoor adventures, consider the duration and intensity of the activity, and plan rest breaks in shaded areas to cool down and rehydrate. If you must be outdoors during peak sun hours, take precautions to minimize sun exposure by wearing protective clothing, hats, and sunglasses, and regularly applying sunscreen. Keep in mind that certain activities, such as exercising or working in direct sunlight, can increase your body's heat production and fluid loss. So it's crucial to listen to your body's cues and take breaks as needed. Pay attention to weather forecasts and heat advisories, and adjust your outdoor plans accordingly to stay safe and comfortable. By being proactive and strategic about when and how you engage in outdoor activities, you can make the most of the summer season while prioritizing your health and well-being. 6. Use cooling products. When the summer heat becomes sweltering, staying cool and comfortable can be challenging, but incorporating cooling products into your routine can provide much-needed relief. There is an array of innovative cooling products available that can help lower your body temperature and keep you comfortable even in the hottest conditions. Cooling towels, for example, are made from highly absorbent materials that retain water and provide a refreshing sensation when draped around your neck or head. Simply wet the towel, wring out any excess water, and place it on your skin for instant cooling relief. Misting fans are another popular option, combining the cooling power of water mist with a portable fan to create a refreshing breeze wherever you go. These compact devices are perfect for outdoor activities, sporting events, or relaxing on the patio. Additionally, portable air conditioners or evaporative coolers can be used to cool down indoor spaces, providing a welcome escape from the heat when outdoor temperatures become unbearable. Incorporating these cooling products into your summer arsenal can help you stay cool, hydrated, and comfortable, allowing you to enjoy the season to the fullest without succumbing to the oppressive heat. 7. Take cool showers. On scorching summer days, a refreshing cool shower can provide immediate relief from the heat and help regulate your body temperature. Cool showers not only offer a soothing sensation, but also help to lower your core body temperature, reducing the risk of overheating. When taking a cool shower, adjust the water temperature to a comfortable coolness, but not too cold, as extremely cold water can shock your system and potentially lead to discomfort. Allow the cool water to cascade over your body, focusing on areas where heat tends to accumulate, such as your neck, underarms, and back. Take your time to thoroughly rinse off sweat and sunscreen residue, which can contribute to feeling sticky and uncomfortable in hot weather. After your cool shower, gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel and allow the natural evaporation process to further cool your body. For an extra refreshing boost, consider adding mint or eucalyptus-infused shower products to invigorate your senses and enhance the cooling effect. Taking cool showers throughout the day can help you stay refreshed, rejuvenated, and energized, allowing you to tackle summer activities with renewed vigor and comfort. 8. Stay indoors during heat waves. When heat waves grip your area, staying indoors in air-conditioned spaces becomes essential for protecting yourself from the extreme heat and reducing the risk of heat-related illnesses. Heat waves, characterized by prolonged periods of unusually high temperatures, can pose serious health risks, particularly for vulnerable populations such as the elderly, young children, and individuals with chronic health conditions. During heat waves, it's crucial to limit outdoor activities and seek refuge in climate-controlled environments such as your home, shopping malls, libraries, or community centers. If you don't have access to air conditioning at home, consider visiting public cooling centers or arranging to stay with friends or family members who have air conditioning. When indoors, close blinds or curtains to block out direct sunlight and keep interior spaces as cool as possible. Use fans or air conditioners to circulate air and maintain a comfortable temperature indoors. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and avoid excessive consumption of caffeine or alcohol, as these can contribute to dehydration. Check on elderly relatives, neighbors, or individuals with chronic illnesses to ensure they're staying cool and hydrated. If you must venture outdoors during a heat wave, do so during the cooler early morning or late evening hours. Wear lightweight, loose-fitting clothing and stay hydrated. By taking proactive measures to stay indoors and keep cool during heat waves, you can safeguard your health and well-being during periods of extreme heat. 9. Know the signs of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Recognizing the symptoms of heat-related illnesses, such as heat exhaustion and heat stroke, is crucial for taking prompt action and preventing serious complications. Heat exhaustion occurs when the body overheats and is unable to cool itself down adequately. Common symptoms include profuse sweating, weakness, dizziness, headache, nausea, vomiting, and rapid heartbeat. If you or someone you know exhibits signs of heat exhaustion, it's essential to move to a cool, shaded area, loosen clothing, and drink water or sports drinks to rehydrate. Applying cool, damp cloths or taking a cool shower can also help lower body temperature. If left untreated, heat exhaustion can progress to heat stroke, a life-threatening condition characterized by a high body temperature above 103 degrees F or 40 degrees C, confusion, agitation, flushed skin, rapid breathing, and a strong, rapid pulse. Heat stroke requires immediate medical attention, as it can lead to organ damage, coma, and even death if not treated promptly. While waiting for medical help to arrive, it's crucial to take immediate steps to cool the affected person down, such as moving them to a shaded area, applying cool water to their skin, and fanning their body to promote evaporation. Never underestimate the seriousness of heat-related illnesses, and always err on the side of caution by seeking medical assistance if you're unsure. By knowing the signs of heat exhaustion and heat stroke and taking swift action when necessary, you can protect yourself and others from the potentially devastating effects of extreme heat. 10. Don't leave children or pets in hot cars. The interior of a parked car can quickly become dangerously hot, even on relatively mild days. During the summer months, the temperature inside a parked car can soar to life-threatening levels within minutes, posing a significant risk of heat stroke and death, particularly for children and pets. Never leave children, pets, or vulnerable individuals unattended in a parked car, even for a short period, as the consequences can be catastrophic. Children's bodies heat up 3 to 5 times faster than adults, making them more susceptible to heat-related illnesses, while pets can suffer from heat stroke within minutes in a hot car. Always double-check the back seat before locking your car to ensure that no children or pets are left behind accidentally. If you see a child or pet alone in a hot car, take immediate action to rescue them. Call emergency services for assistance, and if necessary, carefully remove the child or pet from the vehicle and move them to a shaded area. Cool them down with cool water and seek medical attention as soon as possible. Additionally, be mindful of hot surfaces such as car seats, seat belts, and steering wheels, which can cause burns on sensitive skin. By prioritizing the safety and well-being of children and pets and never leaving them unattended in hot cars, you can prevent tragic accidents and protect vulnerable individuals from the dangers of extreme heat. In conclusion, by following these essential tips for surviving the summer sun, you can enjoy the warmer months safely and comfortably. From staying hydrated and dressing appropriately to seeking shade and knowing the signs of heat-related illnesses, taking proactive measures is key to protecting yourself and your loved ones from the potentially harmful effects of excessive heat. Whether you're spending time outdoors or seeking refuge indoors during heat waves, prioritizing your health and well-being is paramount. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to share them with your friends and family so they too can stay safe in the summer sun. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and updates on staying healthy and happy throughout the seasons. Together, let's make this summer a time of enjoyment and well-being for everyone. Left Eye.